These ants here, they working. They in a whole line. They working. Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Welcome to a new vlog, a travel vlog. I am almost at my destination, heading to, what's this place called? Heading to Canyon Lake, Texas. It's a little small town with neighboring cities that we'll also visit, but I'm on a family vacation, so I'll be here with family, and we'll be staying at a resort in Canyon Lake, Texas. San Antonio is about an hour and a half away, and there's other nearby cities such as New Braunfels and San Marcos, so that's where I'm heading. Look at the view. Let's go out here and see the view. It is so nice looking. Look at that. We might have to eat breakfast out here in the morning. Looks nice. We are arriving to San Marcos. Trying to figure out where to go. We don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere in San Marcos. Mexican food. It's called Casa Maria. Casa Maria. So I'm gonna get some drinks, get some food. It's about to be a little lit. Family time, dinner time. I think the green was hotter than the green. Let's do cheers.
Let's do that. All right. To vacation in the hills, country, Texas. The green is hotter, you think?
we made it to San Antonio, and we just parked, paid for our parking, and we're getting ready to figure out how we can use the bathroom. We're gonna, I think, get something to eat, and we also have some vouchers for the hop on, hop off bus, so we're gonna get on the bus too to just explore the city. So yeah, come along. Mommy, show off your ponytail. Huh? Show off your ponytail.
Oh, girl.
Thank you.
How are you doing, guys? Doing good, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. My name's Alex. I'll be taking care of y'all today.
So we are in the mall. The restaurant we were just at, Yard House, is in the mall. So we decided to explore the mall a little bit, and now we're getting ready to walk to get on the city sightseeing bus so that we can explore the city. That's what's up next.
Get all your things.
Thank you.
Your phones in your package.
I was on that bus knocked out. I don't know what he showed. Ah, look.
Put your foot down.
Yeehaw!
Get out of here.
I already have a date. She's right there. Everybody make some noise for my date. There we go. Take that, ex-girlfriend.
We are leaving and heading to the car so that we can head back to Canyon Lake to go to the bed. We are all kind of exhausted. So yeah, we had a good day here though. I did get some postcards that I'm gonna mail off. So we're gonna drop that off at a USPS drop box before we head back to Canyon Lake and leave San Antonio. We just finished eating. The food was great. It's kind of like a mom and pop's type of restaurant. I mean, yeah, they were really friendly. The food was good. They had They didn't really have many vegan options, but they, you know, they had a little something I was able to get. They hating on me as I film my clip here. So we are at the park in New Braunfels. I always want to say New Braunfels because there's an S at the end, but I was told it's just New Braunfels. So we're at a park in New Braunfels, and we're just gonna check out the park, walk around. It's called Hinman Island Park. So this is what it looks like. This is the scenery out here so far, but it's really pretty. I see people kayaking. There's like a play park right here. There's trails to walk. So there's a lot going on here. So let's go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Okay, cameraman. Say and cut.
And cut.
These ants here, they working. They in a whole line. They working. They're coming from where? Going. They're taking it somewhere. And they coming from down here. Yeah, they taking it down. Look. They pick it up from down there and then they bring it this way. Get more because they're bringing the green stuff this way. They're bringing them this way. So the other ants must be going back down there to pick up more and then transport it this way. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because they bring it all of the green stuff that way.
It sound right, boy.